Hey, how you doing? Your buddy Greg here. That's my neighbor mowing in the background, and you're doing a little bit of driveway work. So we've got the Poulan out, got the Husqvarna set up without the bagger, and that's the first time I'm hooking up the trailer to it. And right now we've got the Poulan with the 38-inch box blade on it. And it's been doing a pretty good job of getting the driveway together. Right now we've still got some sand to remove from this high spot here, and I've got a high spot right there to work out, but overall it's doing a good job. And we got to get this ground down a little bit. I've got the teeth. Oh, the seat, don't see the mess. I've got the teeth set up on it, so right now it's in the rip mode. And I'm ripping a lot of the grass out that you see. So we still got this to rip out. The lawn is looking really good. So the Husqvarna does a nice job of cutting. And the bagger's really starting to cut down on the weeds. Actually, that's kind of a really nice shot right there with the sunlight on it. This section here, we still got more work to do with it, but it's getting it cut out pretty nicely, so you can start to see that there's a little bit of a rim forming. So I've got to do more passes on this to get this sculpted out. Get a nice shot here of the lawn again. Yeah, that's a really nice light there. So we're gonna go down here. This is where all the problem areas were. So that video I put out, the driveway one where it's all ripped up, this is that area here. So it's managed to put everything back. Pretty nicely. So this is all done with that 38-inch agrifab blade. So all this was a rut. And then going out to the street, there's still going to be more work there, but it's definitely starting to have a place for where the gravel's going to sit. So it's got that well forming. So the idea is going to be that the gravel's going to be smooth across it. So probably going to need more than one round of gravel. I'll show you bottom end here of the yard. Something else I've been doing, here's something you can do with your grass clippings. I've been starting to mulch the trees with it, so the more I mow, the more mulch I get. Nice piece of trash. Yeah, there's a lot of trash that people leave in the front of the yard that probably got blown in. I guess we might as well get it. We're already here, right? Keep America green and all that. So this is all the bagger. So it's there's a lot of improvement since I've had it, and there's a lot of ruts in the property. So these are what's going to need to be filled in. But overall, that's the shape of things. So just wanted to give you a little update, and hopefully I'll be putting out the video on the driveway soon. But this will give you a little idea of the progress on it and what you can do with a Husqvarna tractor. Actually, not the Husqvarna, the Poulan tractor, and the 38-inch agrifab blade. And the other thing I fixed on it was the wheels falling off. Wound up going with the bushings on it. Unfortunately, there aren't any bearings that fit it. There's also going to be a video on that, and the car blew up on me. There's going to be a video on that too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.